Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Christina and I'm getting ready to show you how to make this short lantern with this vase into one bigger, taller lantern with style. Y'all ready? Here we go. Hey guys, here's a list of things you will need if you are creating with me. I made a little list for you to go by so you don't have to worry about everything that's shown in the picture right here. I'm just showing you guys what I have that I'm using, and also make sure that you have your desired vase so that way you can have a tall lanyard or a short one. We're going to get right into this project and it's going to be fun. I'm glad you're here decorating with me. Make sure you let your lantern and your vase sit for a while and dry, at least for 3 hours. Go do something else and come back, or you could prep your flowers in the meantime while it's drying. Also going to need a ladder, especially if you're using a tall vase. Mine was tall and it was on top of the table, so I did need a ladder to step on there. So excuse if you see some of my skin because it was very tall and I really needed to get in there to drop these flowers down. using the command strips, make sure you make the pieces a little longer so they can go on top of the piece of stem that's from the flower that's going to be hanging down. And the long ones that you are putting on the side, make sure you put that long stem that you put in all the way down in the back of the flower so that it will not show at the bottom through the front and you will not see them. So that's just a little tip I wanted to give you guys as well. Keep creating. When I'm at the bottom doing the vines, I did not glue anything because I thought to myself, I really wanted to make this interchangeable. So when the season change or Christmas time come around, I can definitely do another decor within this and keep everything else the same. So I'll have the candle inside that's permanent, it will not move. But my flowers and everything else, I can change it up. So that's what makes this project so unique. You can create it to the style and season of your desire. Doing my flowers into the lantern, I have kept it where I don't glue anything down. I just kind of stuffed it around. If you have a lantern that is closed, you can do the same thing but just inside, and you can kind of copy what we did for the vase but just do it inside. If you guys need tips or suggestions on that, please let me know and I can make another video showing how, if you don't have a lantern that's open, how you can create the same thing with inside. This is where the fun part came in. I decided to use the rope instead of the ribbon. But it's you guys' choices. If you have ribbon, you prefer to put it as a handle, by all means do so. I hope you guys get a great tip on how to put this in if you are using the rope.
As you can see, with ease, I put that candle right down in that vase. You keep your middle open with the flowers. You make sure the flowers go to the side. That way you can get in there and grab it when you need to change the batteries or you're doing another different candle. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I put all the material that I use in this video below as well. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you love how it came out, and thank you for creating with me. See you next time.